Hello. Thank you. Thank you. We have arrived in Mexico. It's so beautiful here. Mama's here. I'm gonna give you a room tour. This place is spectacular. So this is the door when you walk in, and we have this view. So we have, I would assume, closets on your way in. So I'm gonna hang up my clothes so that they don't get wrinkled. And the ironing board, slippers. Oh, a full-length mirror. Then on the left here is the bathroom. I haven't even looked yet. I wanted to do a tour before I made the room too messy. There is a vanity area over here. This is the shower. Wow, this is amazing. It's so big. And over here is the toilet. Then we have double sinks and a bathtub that opens up to where the rooms are. This area is gonna be so nice for getting ready. There's even a stool. And then there's like a little coffee area here with an espresso machine. So nice. So then moving on to here, there's a really big mirror, which I'll be doing my outfit of the days. The two beds. Really high ceilings in here. This room feels very grand. And then a TV, there's a little desk area. They just brought our luggage over. A little couch and sitting area. And then we have our own little private, how do I open this? Balcony. Wow. So you have your own little walking out pool, I guess. And then lawn chairs. There's a ton of little animals. It is so hot. I need to take off this sweater, but I'm just so excited to be here, and it's spectacular. So this is the Grand Palace Resort in Riviera Maya. It's such a huge resort. I don't know my way around yet. Definitely gonna get lost, but I wanted to give you a quick tour before the room gets too messy. So after a day at the pool, I got dressed and we're going to our first dinner. The restaurant theme is French cuisine, so I thought this outfit was fitting, and it's a little bit more formal. So I just touched up my hair with curls just because it was pulled back all day at the pool. The curls probably won't last because of the heat, but thought I'd at least try. This top is really pretty. I love this color as well. It is from Dynamite, and you can wear it a little bit more off the shoulder, but it's a little bit cool outside, so I wanted to kind of pull it up over my shoulder. And then I'm just wearing black basic pants from RW&Co, and then these shoes, beige little casual heels, and then I'm just wearing like basic jewelry, my Daniel Wellington watch, silver necklace, silver earrings, and like a darker lip to add a little bit of something. And that's my outfit of the night. Good morning. We are ready. We are going on the excursion this morning, ATV riding. So excited. So I have my hair in braids and I put sunscreen on where my part is so that my head doesn't burn. I'm wearing very minimal makeup, and then I'm wearing kind of just like athletic clothes. So I have these capris that are maroon with a matching sports bra, and then this black tank top on top, and my black Adidas running shoes. My outfit is from Forever 21. So we gotta get going. That was so much fun. I'm covered in mud though, if you can see. Covered. I kind of wiped myself. Covered in mud. Earlier today was absolutely amazing. We were up really early, and with the rain and everything, It was kind of an exhausting day, so we took a nap, but now we are ready and we're going to a Fiesta party. It's actually in the ballroom of our same tower, so we don't have to like leave earlier. So I'm just gonna show you my outfit of the day, or outfit of the night, shall I say. So I'm wearing this one-piece jumpsuit from Aritzia and my tan shoes to match. Thought about wearing my black heels because they're a little bit more nice, but tonight is like not one of our most formal nights, so I thought I'd get away with these shoes and they're more comfy for like dancing. So this is a really cute jumpsuit because it has a cutout on the back. It's a perfect mix of like fun with the cutout, but also like looks really professional and sleek from the front. And I took a shower after the excursion because I was covered in mud. I curled my hair, even though it'll probably stay curly for like 2 minutes and then it'll be all humid, but at least I tried. And now we're heading out. Good morning. We are having breakfast at the beach and then we're taking a shuttle to the shopping center because it's a little bit cloudy out, so we're gonna wait until the sun comes out later, but it's still early. We're having breakfast here. Pretty. Just at the pool right now. We have the place to ourselves. We are back from the pool and got cleaned up for dinner, so I'm gonna do another outfit of the day. I wanted to look a little bit nicer today because I'm having dinner with one of the executives of my company. That's what we're doing throughout the week. I curled my hair and I did a braid. It's a little bit tropical from Mexico. I am wearing actually these new silver earrings that I got today. We went out to the shop. So silver hoops, a silver necklace from H&M. My dress is actually from H&M, just a simple black dress. My black Daniel Wellington watch that has little crystals on the face. This purse that it's the only one that I have here. It's from Forever 21. And then my shoes are just black strappy shoes from Aldo. Not quite tan yet, but we're getting there. Laid out at the pool a little bit today. I'm really excited for dinner because this night's dinner theme is Italian cuisine. So I'm really hungry. Another day at the pool. I did my hair in braids, and then I'm wearing this red dress from H&M that I thought was very tropical. Just have it over my bathing suit, and we're gonna go have breakfast. This is the first morning that we don't have something planned, so we're just gonna chill by the pool. I got these new sunglasses yesterday at the shops, and I really like how big they are. Having lunch by the pool.
Look at that. We met a new friend. We named him Iggy.
After spending the afternoon at the pool, I'm walking back to my room because I'm getting ready for a reception and then dinner. I definitely got some sun today. Oh my god, my neck is still white from going like this. But a little bit of sun. Yeah, today was so nice. It was nice and sunny out. The first couple days have been kind of cloudy, so we went shopping yesterday because we knew it would be cloudy, but today was like the first hot day, and it's so nice. I kind of look like a tomato. I'm all ready for a cocktail reception. So I showered and curled my hair. I'm wearing this white lace dress that is from Forever 21 several years ago. Thought it would look good with a little bit of a tan slash red burn. It's not too bad though. I'm just wearing a watch and my beige heeled shoes. So heading out to the cocktail reception and then dinner afterwards. Just got up. It's the second last morning pretty much because Saturday we leave pretty early. So I just ordered room service. I have a business meeting this morning at 9, so I ordered room service, figured we'd have that experience because everyone here has said that it's like such an experience that they roll a table into your room. So waiting for breakfast and I'm just gonna get ready. It's been so nice here. I haven't really sat out on the little patio here, so I thought I'd come out while I'm waiting for breakfast, and everything has been so nice and I don't want to leave. I don't want to even think about that this is one of the last mornings. I miss the summer when you could just hear the birds chirping. All right, time to get ready for work. Room service is here. I have fruit, coffee. I ordered French toast that looks so good. Done my meeting and now changed and ready for the pool. Back at the mirror for another outfit of the day. Tonight we are having a formal gala, so this is the dress that I brought. Played it safe with a simple black dress, although after talking with some people at the pool, I think I should have brought like a more like, it's like some people have like full-length ball gowns, but played it safe with this black dress. So I curled my hair and kind of pinned it to the side. I'm wearing my silver hoop earrings that I bought here in Mexico. This sparkly necklace that is from H&M. My dress is from Aritzia by the Babaton brand. And then my strappy black Aldo sandals. And oh, I'm wearing a Tiffany bracelet. And that's it, I'm ready to put on my name tag and head out the door. Good morning. It is our last morning here and we're headed to breakfast and then the pool. My favorite thing are the fruits in the morning. The watermelon and the kiwi. And I have pineapple juice. We're here eating breakfast just by our favorite pool here. There's so many different pools here, but we like coming to this one. It's not only in our little section of the resort, but it is the most quiet and the most beautiful. Well, they're all beautiful. Just ordered this beautiful drink while I'm listening to a podcast. All right, final outfit of the night. This is the look. So I have this brown knotted dress from H&M, which is like a really comfortable material. I'm so glad that I bought this last summer. And then I'm wearing my beige sandals that have like the wooden heel that go with the brown. And then my silver earrings that I got here in Mexico, my Tiffany bracelet, and my Pandora ring. And my hair is straight. Just quickly wash it after being at the pool for the last time. And now we're headed to dinner. We're going back to one of our favorite restaurants, which is the Italian one. And I'm sad that it's the last dinner. Look how beautiful this sky is from this little terrace. We're eating at this restaurant, and this is the view. The sun is setting. Good morning. morning. It is the official last morning. We are packed. We just got our bags picked up and room service delivered. And then in about an hour, we have to go meet in the lobby to be picked up by our shuttle to go to the airport. Flight is at 1:05. Now it's 8 o'clock right now. Everything has been so wonderful and I'm so sad to go home. Yesterday I spent time at the beach. I went kayaking. That was so much fun. I didn't have my GoPro for kayaking, but that was really fun. This is what I'm eating for breakfast. It is my favorite French toast that I had the other morning. I had to order it again. And some fruit.